PPET Automatic Napkin Length Sewing Machine. Efficient and automated operation capability is an important means to improve efficiency, significantly reduce manual operation time and costs. Intuitive intelligent operation interface and real-time data monitoring system. One operator can take care of multiple devices, whether it is a small square towel, a mouth towel, or a large bath towel, etc. This equipment can achieve automatic double-sided efficient sewing. Applicable size range 25 to 65 centimeters. Equipped with automatic bobbin changing function, meeting the diversified needs of the market.